Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool object right here, and basically what this is the lighter fluid. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and basically for this kit, you can see they do provide you guys the lighter, they give you guys the fluid, and they give you guys the flint that you can use to replace it if you guys do need to. So if you guys never used one of these, they do provide you guys instruction in the back. Or you can see right here, they also provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to use it as well. So it's probably more clear if you guys take a look right here. And for this brand, they actually have a lot of different lighters available for different design. And they have the option where you can just buy the lighter by itself. But if it's first time using the product, you probably want to buy the kit that has everything together, because you do need to get the fluid to actually add it inside. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and how to actually refill the product. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the first product looks like, which is basically the flint if you guys need to use it. For this test, we don't need to use it since it is brand new. And then right here we do have the lighter fluid, and then here we do have the lighter. And when you guys do feel the quality of the material that's on here, it does feel like a high quality material. I believe it's like stainless steel or like metal material if it's in here. So in the back right here, we do have a warning label to tell you guys to be careful when you guys do use it. But we do need to peel this out. Once you guys do peel it out, if you guys do open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So basically how the product works, you guys want to go like this, and that will start the fire. But in order for you guys to use it, you do need to actually add the fuel inside, which is right here. So the way how you guys do it, you basically want to unlock this part right here first, and then pull it out. Once you guys do pull it out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So what you're going to do is lift this part up. Once you guys do lift this part up, then you guys can add the fuel inside. And then for the other side right here is basically the flint option if you guys need to replace it. So obviously when you guys add the fuel inside, you do want to do it somewhere safe. So I'm actually bring this over to the kitchen to actually set it up to show you guys how to do it. So the way how you guys open up that part right here, you need to use a point or something sharp. So for example, if I use a little knife, you basically want to take out the tip. And once you guys do take out the tip, and now you can start adding it in. So like I mentioned, you basically want to lift this part up. And once you guys do lift it up, then you guys want to add the fuel inside. So just like this. And when you guys add the fuel inside, you don't want to overfill. Just add enough that you guys need to use. So I think that should be good for now. Let's close back up. And you're going to put this back inside like this. And before you guys do light it, you want to wash your hand to make sure it's clean. Once your hand is clean, then you guys can try it out. So let's go like this. And we see how it does work. And the way how you shut it off is going like this. And once you guys do open it back up, the fire is off. So very easy and very simple for you to use the product. But if you guys can see, when you guys do turn it on, the flame that's on here is pretty powerful. If I do one more time. And it's so easy for you to light it up. So you definitely want to handle with care when you guys do use it. Alright, so now you saw a quick test of the product in terms of how to refill the lighter and also how well it works. And we see it definitely does work. And the coolest thing about this lighter is the way how they design it. It's supposed to be windproof, since the flame always stays on, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this lighter kit, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality lighter that basically is windproof like I mentioned, and also give you guys the fuel that should refill it, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that basically don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.